food trailer is going to be called Schnitz and Giggles, coming from the famous saying and Giggles, and also a restaurant in the movie Beer Fest, if you might have. Yes. Cooking is more like my meditation. Other people do actual meditation. I cook, as you can see. I thought maybe a food truck would be a good idea because all the restaurants had to shut down in New York. Food trucks didn't. They were still operating. So I thought that's a pretty crisis-stable business. Also, people will always eat, and Americans love to eat. So I was like, why not serve them German food? Pues vamos a tener Schnitzel sandwich. Schnitzel sandwich on a roll. Bratwurst, obviously. I'm going to make currywurst as well. That's something that not many people know, but the ones that do, they love it. Yes. Yes. I just hope that Orlando embraces it, and then maybe more of Central Florida and off to the coasts, and and then we'll get busy with it. I would love to do that. 4, 3, 2, 1. It is a good experience, and you get everything from the first meeting, what it's going to be, what you're going to want in terms of appliances and whatnot, then to the design and the delivery. All is in one hand, so you don't have to go to 5 different people to get stuff. Of course, some things that you don't sell, you have to get somewhere else, but at least you build it in, and then you don't have to take care of so much. So I like that I didn't have to worry about too many things in terms of building it and permits and this and that and registration and all that. So that takes a lot of pressure off, that's for sure. And price-wise, I can't complain. That was a pretty good deal I got. So yeah. We're aiming at breweries because what goes better with a beer than a good schnitzel sandwich or a bratwurst, and they don't have kitchens. So they can always use a food truck, and there are so many events around here. More Germans than I thought live in Orlando. I did not know that. I mean, just in here I met 2, so it's there, the interest, I think.
Bye guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll come back when we need an upgrade.
Absolutely.